Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you my daytime skincare routine. So I have just taken my bath and it's almost 2 p.m. now. I will not speak too much on this video. I will just do the steps that I do every day, almost every day, and it's a truly honest skincare routine. So the very first step that I do is to apply a toner. So I generally use a toner or I spray a face mist on my face. So in today's video I will be using this plum grapeseed and buckthorn face mist. I hope it's visible. Yeah, so I will be spraying and yeah. Okay, you can see the instant hydration it gives to my skin. The only thing that I don't like about this product is the fragrance, but other than that this product is really good for dry skin. And yeah, I will give some time to absorb it into my skin and then I will go on with the next step. So for this toner I have another option for you as well. So actually I got this free with that face mist. So it's the green tea one. So plum has basically this two variant, the green tea and the grapeseed and buckthorn. So this is the green tea revitalizing face mist. I haven't used this one yet. Like this packaging I haven't used. Like before I had purchased that I had already used, so I can give you the review. So actually this, they claimed it to be a makeup fixer as well, but I don't think it works as a makeup fixer that very well. So yeah, you can definitely use this as a face mist for hydrating your face instantly. So I also use this as a toner. So yeah, basically this is good for oily skin and that one is good for dry skin. So if you are oily skin you can go with this one, and if you are a dry skin you can go with that grapeseed and buckthorn face mist which I just now used. And yeah, that's very good. Like for toner I will say that's really good. The toner is already absorbed into my skin. Now I will follow with this Cosrx Galactomyces essence, which I have been using for a very long time and I'm just really loving it. So it works very well on your dark spots and pigmentation, or if you have dry and dehydrated skin, it really works very well. Okay, so I'm done with the second step. So next I will apply this hyaluronic acid 2% from Be Minimalist. It's really very good for dry skin, and yeah, I have purchased this very recently and I'm using it. So I'll just take a few drops. It's becoming risky, so I'll take it in my fingers. 3 to 4 drops is just enough for your face, and then you can take it for your neck as well. So yeah, one thing, like you should never apply hyaluronic acid on dry skin. So always you should apply it on a damp skin. That's why I applied the toner, then the essence, and then I'm applying this hyaluronic acid. Get absorbed very quickly into the skin. Next I will use this vitamin C serum from Be Minimalist again, and yeah, I'm in love with this serums really. So and this helps to treat your dark spots, your pigmentation. It's a very good antioxidant, so it like protects your skin from sun damage and like heals your skin from sun damage. So yeah. It's time to go to my fifth step, which is a moisturizer. So since I have used a vitamin C serum, so that's why I'm using this Cetaphil moisturizer. This is Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. So again, this is a very good moisturizer for dry skin people, and yeah, it's really hydrates your skin a lot and moisturizes your skin a lot, and especially when it's winter you really need that extra moisturization for dry skin. So yeah, that's why I'm using this much. Okay guys, so I am done with my moisturization, and next I will move on to my eye cream, which I have recently started using. So actually I have started using from yesterday only, and this is the Biotech eye cream. So yeah, this is the Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless eye cream, and yeah, I want to see how it works on my dark circles, because I really have very bad dark circles because I work in front of a laptop for long hours. So yeah, I really need an eye cream to soothe the like skin near my eye. It comes in a quantity of I think 15 to 16 grams, and it has a bit of fragrance, but yeah, that's okay for me. Like if it's eye cream, then it's okay, totally okay. So I will apply a very little amount on my dark circles. So yeah, I will say this cream is not very thick and it's not very thin also. Like it's a perfect consistency, but I don't know how it will work on my dark circles, because eye creams are generally very costly. Like only 30 grams of you can cost you nearly 800 rupees, but I didn't want to invest in a like costly eye cream right now. That's why I purchased this one. So this comes in a price of like, I got this at only 119 rupees from Purple, like because there was a Diwali sale going on in Purple now. So I got this from that sale, and yeah, that's the reason why I bought this Biotech ones. And the last and the very important step that is like really important when you are doing your daytime skincare routine is the sunscreen. So I love using this Neutrogena sunblock. It comes in the SPF 50 plus with a PA triple plus protection. So yeah, so it doesn't give you that white cast, like, which really irritates me a lot. That's why I love to use this sunscreen. Don't forget to apply it on your neck also. Okay, so I'm done with applying my sunscreen, and you can see it hasn't left a bit of white cast on my skin. Sunscreen does really good job with, besides giving your skin that protection, it really gives you that glow that you want. Like I really love this thing about the sunscreen. Okay, so the final step is applying a lip balm on your lips. So I'm using this lip balm from Oshia. So it was actually gifted by my friend, so I will use this one only. So yeah, now I'm done with my daytime skincare routine, so you can see how much simple it was. So yeah guys, as promised, I won't make this video too long. So yeah, I'm done with today's video, and let me know in the comment section below which products are you using from all of this. So, and if you like that or not, and how it's working on your skin, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.